Yes. Why I say when I dance with the drum regularly when we enter your TV screen. Now that's how we carry everything, can give you the church and things on top Bobos and babies them every time. How na they don't they go? We know so I don't get sploofing day today. And the day that is successful for now. Regularly, this one is the show they call Bobos Yan. I know. We done the same relationship since 2014. And my men them they inside bar with me. Chakra.
Yeah, people, Hanaday. We are 5 days to go.
5 days.
Yeah. And the excitement is on our bubbling bubbles.
Are you sure you are still excited?
Yes, I'm excited. You know why? Because the response, the phone is buzzing. Where can I get tickets? I want to show. So
how much you don't say now?
I don't know. My accountant
now you go buy drink for us today for this bar.
My accountant no. Of course, you drink is cheap in this bar. One calabash.
Excuse me, I don't. Say, but why? What's up with you?
Yeah. Because it's served in calabash. Everybody know anything that comes to calabash is not as expensive as things that comes in bottle.
But we pour it inside there now. What's the problem?
You know, but it comes here. Where's the bottle? Show me the bottle.
Look at them behind you.
No, the one you pour from.
These are the bottles. Enjoy them. Yes, show me.
And drink responsibly.
Yeah.
How that day, why I say, man, Babylon man come down, Ja locomotion style here, and Patorakin style, you know. I just feel like dropping some part.
Ja locomotive.
No. Babylon man come Ja locomotion style.
Yeah, Patorakin style. Ja rasta fried rice, celestia chop and finish. Boy,
hey! Jehovah, I don't know how to do that too.
Ogo, somebody say, we no fit sing. Say, but I say me and you no fit sing. Say Shakara 99 they sing pass.
They know I see because they know me.
I bet sing one song. Sing one song.
I've been waiting for you.
Hearing said my
And I'm the one. What's to
okay, man sing that same song where you sing now. I want to sing my own.
Make it sing.
Whoa!
Sing my own song. That's the one, ba?
Yes.
Cause I've been waiting for you deep inside my heart. Let me be the one to love you more.
I've been waiting for you.
We are even better than you.
Deep inside my heart. I'm the one
who wants to love you more.
Let's leave it there.
Yes, don't try me.
We are running the album. It's coming out soon. Don't worry. I got
what's her name again? Is it Gloria who that said we cannot sing? What kind of insult is that?
So you, Gloria. Gloria. We can sing. I'm with you. Today, simple.
I beg. Just shout Benedette for that bad girl. Make she come on this AC. This place is hot.
Okay, bad woman. Please.
Benedette!
We need AC in this bar. AC. Yes. Matter we want to talk about today. Spoof it, simple, very nice. How you go take know if person love you? How you want to know if person love you? That's the matter I want more to talk about today.
It's simple. Why are you debating it? Someone that's giving you money. If you don't know,
but you're not lying. Funny enough.
He won't give you money.
Funny enough. Yes, there's no living without giving.
I'll tell you.
So I don't say love, but that cannot be number one.
That can't be number one now.
That cannot be number one. Do not spoil our girls. Now people like that, they make all these girls say.
Now people like they
believe love and money must go hand in hand.
Without money, there's no love. Agreed.
If you don't
money
love someone,
pushes.
you can't give.
No, giving is part of loving, agreed. But
you have a point. Okay, forget about money. Like I asked bought that one by he said,
yes.
When you love someone if you want to know that someone loves you, give him must follow.
True.
Yes.
Since no go too hard, make you feel say you want this jackets now you ask for them. You don't feel give you. But I guess a lot of people over stupid now. Think they give anything, give stupidly. No one jazz and they use on you. You understand? So but you have a point. But you see, even if it's jazz. For you to give, that means the jazz they work. That means you love the person.
True.
So that. But do you know?
See, because I know
sorry, please. Because I talk of jazz. Do you know? I would prefer a girl that jazz me.
To love her.
To love her. You know why? Because if she no love you, she no go won't keep you to jazz you to stay.
But
someday we be say now your money now they want.
Like as you dey now so when you want to do your show on the 28th so one girl if he don't jazz you so that by the time you finish the show you go
Holy Ghost fire.
Any girl with the plans to go and rob Sakara after the show, may your mission succeed. What do I matter again?
Me thunder blow knockout under your
all the girls where you don't use this period when your show finish.
You don't know say funny enough.
But Sakara wait, you know say this time now you go no girl will really love you. Because now you want to show.
So how do we know? Good. A girl that is helpful.
Very good. A girl that is there for you. Now very good. The girl, she goes by the name Jojo. She stays in Abuja. She sent me 30,000 that please that she don't have, that she don't know what this 30K can do in this my show that I'm planning. Do you understand?
That's not love.
That's what now?
That's
what?
No, wait.
That's what? No. You know, I wrote for sponsorship. No, even the biggest companies, they didn't even give me 5 naira. But this girl is just a girl, doing small business.
Just a girl.
But she sent 30,000 and you saying that's not love.
She's just a girl. Whatever, just a girl. That's not love.
Why would you say why you go talk to that?
Moral support.
But you know say the moral support
and,
love
and helping the less privileged. That's all.
If you no love that person, even no see love majorly. If you know we really be cranky,
the people where they for streets where they dash money to, do you love them?
How many people are they dash money?
I'm just saying all these beggars.
Change now. You don't dash beggar. Can't 100
I give
beggar.
To that girl, you're a beggar.
100 naira.
To that girl, that's petty change to her. She give you 30K. How much have I not?
I'm a friend she loves.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, you know they're going to define our love. Our love very well.
We come from east.
You know,
from village.
You know,
God
will not let me asunder.
So the girl love you. No, I know when somebody loves you, say give him must follow. Yes. And another one be saying, you see that anybody where you fit, it's a friend in need. It's a friend indeed.
True.
As you want to do show now, check out the girls where don't really they come, they say, oh, they want to support you, they want to come, they help you do one thing, either do the publicity or so. Those are people that you can clearly tell, say they love you. Like you, we know. Then, any girl that can do a surprise birthday for you is in love with you.
Oh! Showman!
Sakara!
Take it! Your head is there.
Sakara, any girl.
Anybody that can wake up and start planning something
and gather all your friends
for close to
2-3
months
a surprise
and be gathering
birthday.
Your friends gather.
You see that girl, you must marry that girl.
What of anybody that can go to the street and ask the men what they think about this topic? And call it go for street.
Make we enter street, go. You know where answer my question. When we come back, we say continue. Matter what they talk about. How you fit take no if person truly love you. We dey come back, not go anywhere.